Hey there, and welcome back to our instructional documentation for our CPaaS platform. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating profiles within your company. Here's what you need to know. In the company profile, users have the ability to oversee profile types within their domain. This includes creating user profiles for non-technical teams, such as marketers, finance, and logistics, and developer profiles for technically inclined teams with coding experience. The profile type you assign to each individual will dictate the platform they can access and define their capabilities within the CPaaS. Before we start, it's crucial to have this information ready and to take note of a few key considerations. Have all the essential details for profile creation, including name and last name, email, phone, clarity on the profile you will assign, user or developer, and be prepared with the list of accounts you intend to assign to the profile you are creating. Make sure that the accounts you plan to add to this profile are already set up. Let's start. Go to Company Home on the main menu. A scrollable menu will appear. Select the Users module. Find the plus sign located on the Create User card. A window will appear on your right-hand side. Fill in the first name, last name, and email. Now, let's focus on the description slot, where you can input essential details about this profile. This feature is optional, so use it if necessary. Any information you add in this slot will be displayed on your profile information card. If you wish, you can also include a phone number. This is entirely optional. When you click on Role, a drop-down menu will appear. Choose the desired profile. To complete the process, click on the Accounts slot. Select the account you need to link to this profile. Proceed by clicking Create. If you're confident that everything is correct, click Yes to confirm. A pop-up window will appear letting you know that the profile creation process has been fulfilled. And that concludes this session. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for choosing our CPaaS platform, and we hope you have an amazing day.